in terms of its research, in terms of its environment, its history, its heritage, its development, all the interesting things that are taking place in the Emirates that aren't really known much about outside the UAE. And I think that organizations like the Cambridge University Emirati Society can help to break down that barrier of ignorance and to strip away the curtain that hides what the UAE is doing from the rest of the world. And, I hope this is an initiative that we can see doing very well in Cambridge over the years to come, but also to spread around other universities inside the United Kingdom and elsewhere. Because the UAE does have a good story. It's a work in progress. The country is not perfect. It is continuing to move forward, and government is well aware of the fact there are things need to be changed, things we need to do better, new things we have to start doing. But what I've been talking about over the last few years, and I've repeated a bit of that at this talk this evening, is to try to talk about why the UAE is interesting in terms of its past. It has a trading relationship with the rest of the world that goes back for 9,000 odd years. There have been great ideas and innovations in the UAE's history for thousands of years. I mean, things that have been invented in the UAE, things that have been practiced in the UAE, the international trade relationships of the UAE that have seen people trading between the UAE and China 2,000 years ago, or the togas of the emperors of Rome were dyed in a purple color that came from seashells that were harvested in the Emirates and elsewhere in the Arabian Gulf.